Wow, Dennis. Whoa. Can you do it? Very impressive. Hey, buddy. Wow. You're doing pretty good there. That's some impressive climbing, guys.
Hi, man.
Hey, Dennis. Wow. Hey, buddy.
Daddy, I practice on the tree every day.
Okay. Hi, guys. So, I got the ebony fingerboard. I ordered a piece of ebony. It's a great piece of wood. I ordered it pre-slotted for the frets. Okay? Now, obviously it needs to be cut. So, but I'm looking at it. It's a little bit thick. It's a little bit thick. So we're going to take this to a place in town where I think they can shave it down a little bit. I don't want the base to feel different than it did before. If it has a too big, it might feel kind of clubby or something. I don't want it to feel that way. So we're going to go take this and see if we can shave it down a little bit. Okay? Let's go. Did it already go through?
No.
Oh, you're getting ready to run it through? All right. So we're getting ready to... Oh, on, guys.
And the factory here.
Okay. All right. We're getting ready to plane down about a 1/16 off this piece of wood here. This fine gentleman's going to take care of the job for us.
This is a wood factory.
All right. He's got this big, gigantic planer. He's going to get the job done real good. Okay. Yeah, so obviously we don't want to cut this side. You're keeping that in, yeah, you know the drill. Okay. Here it goes, guys. Watch out, guys.
Behind the machine is dangerous.
Yep, that's right, guys. That's right.
This is a electronic wood factory.
Let's see.
Right?
Yeah, let me see.
When I started, it was 5/16.
Okay, how much each pass take off? Where are we at now? What are we at now? Quarter?
You're halfway between 5/16 and a quarter. I'm taking
Okay,
off.
it's still a little bit more. I think I'd rather have it like if it's just a hair under a quarter inch would be great. Yeah, so just a little bit more maybe. How are we looking now?
We were 64th over a quarter.
Okay, a little bit more. If you take it through again, it'll be a quarter.
Maybe 2 more times will be a quarter.
Okay, go for it. Watching? Okay, where are we at now? Let's see. We're at a quarter?
Just a hair under a quarter.
A hair under a quarter. Okay, I think it's, let me check it out. I think it's about right. Let me see. If you did one more pass, how much more would that take it down?
Well, what I'll do is I'll just push it through at the same thickness, and the pressure of whatever on the machine is going to go.
Okay, let's try that. Let's try that.
It'll be under a quarter now.
Yeah, I want it just a hair under. That's about right. Hang on, guys. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, so it's a little under a quarter. Yep. This is a real professional wood shop here, guys. And this guy is a professional.
I don't call it wood shop. It does wood basket.
This is the professional stuff, guys. All right, so now we got this piece of ebony. Perfect. Looks great. Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Wow, guys, look at this intricate carving there. How do you do that? How do you make a chain out of wood, guys? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Oh, you thirsty? Okay. Here, guys. Get yourself some of the coldest, freshest water in town, okay? Huh? Is that good? You getting any in your mouth there? You get All right, let Leo have some. Okay, you getting that in there? Okay, Leo, go for it. Can you get up there? What'd you guys find?
Some wood.
Show me that.
Can we buy these?
What is that?
Can we buy one of these?
Is that made out of wood?
Yep. Can we buy one wood, like one of
Well, then you guys would be throwing them and bonking each other in the heads with them.
No, we can get like a different one of these.
Here, let's look around over here. Okay. Come on, guys, come on.
Daddy, quick, because pictures.
Oh, look at all these carvings. That's some pretty.
There.
I'm glad I don't have to try to do that, guys.
Look at this.
This is some serious
I know.
talent it takes to do this stuff, guys. That's like
What is these like
a
that?
different level than what I'm trying to do. It's just showing you how to do stuff, guys.
Look at this carving.
Just think if we had these spoons at home. That's cool. Look at that.
I do want to cross. I like to want to cross too.
They were done by these guys, the Western Whittlers Club, guys.
When I want to be there.
You want to be one of them?
Daddy,
Wow, this is a serious.
we
This is a serious place to go for tools, guys.
We just get one piece of wood and you don't let us buy one.
You don't mind letting you buy one?
We just get one.
We're gonna get one. We'll get a piece of wood in a minute.
wood,
Watch out! Don't touch
and you
anything.
don't let us have it.
Come here, guys. Let's look at this wood, guys.
What type of wood? Wheel.
Wow, guys, check this out. Come over here. This is super cool wood, guys. That would be cool. Make a guitar out of something like that, huh?
A squirrel is squishy.
Isn't it neat, guys? Isn't it?
It's like that one.
Wow. Hey, these are a lot of guitars make out of this. Babinga.
I like this one.
Babinga. That makes a lot of guitar people make those. Wow. Look at all this African pear wood. Yeah. Be careful, guys. What are you doing? Where are you going? Wow, that's a good piece.
Remember you told me there was a wood called Northwest?
What's it called? Northwest?
Yeah.
Well, maybe. Let's find it. Let's see. Come here, guys. Look. Wow, this is some serious looking wood.
Dad, this is the names of the wood.
Yep. Oh, look here. Look, guys. Look. See this piece here? Look, it used to be looking like that.
I like the top.
That's what the tree looks like. And then they cut it down, they shave it and everything. Because that's, you know what? This wood is from Africa. Isn't that cool? Look, that's South America. That's South America.
And this wood.
Let's see.
What's that wood?
This one's, what is that? Whatever. European? Rose? I don't know. That's from Africa. That's from Africa, guys. Wow, a lot of this wood's from Africa.
America. This is from America.
Oh, this stuff is great, guys. Bird's eye maple, guys. That's really good for guitars right there.
I like maple. Daddy,
This is a good, you got a good taste in guitar wood.
that one's from America.
That's from America. This is from South America. Wow.
What's this type of wood?
That's from Ambrosia maple. Wow.
That's from America too. Cool. This is
Guys, over here is my favorite though. Right here, the purple heart.
Ooh.
Look at that, isn't that
I
cool,
really
guys?
like the purple heart. I like one too. These
Or
ones
this,
are
no,
from
no,
America.
zebra wood. Look at this,
This
guys.
is from Africa.
That is cool, isn't it? Look at that.
And
That
this one's from Africa.
is cool. Is it heavy? Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Daddy, come on.
Okay, guys.
No.
Leo, you having fun, buddy?
Can you take me to the area one? Yeah.
Go for it. Wow, this is a pretty nice place to play, isn't it, huh? Whoa.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can I play freeze tag?
You want to play freeze tag? Okay.
With you.
With me? Okay, you betcha. Let's go. Gotcha. I got you, Leo. I got you. I got you.